Hi everyone, Dr. Sharon Wong here today. So we're going to be talking about seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff. Now dandruff is incredibly common. About 50% of the world's population will suffer from dandruff at some point in their lives. Dandruff is actually considered to be part of a spectrum of eczema. So seborrheic dermatitis, which I mentioned before, is a form of eczema that likes to follow where we have a lot of grease glands, which of course we have more of where we have hair follicles. So seborrheic dermatitis can affect your scalp, your brows, around the beard area, and under the arms and on the chest. However, dandruff is a much milder form of seborrheic dermatitis that is only localized to the scalp, and it doesn't tend to be associated with any inflammation. So all you will get is this powdery fine scale on the scalp skin and on the hair. So why do we get dandruff? Well, actually it's because of these yeasts that we all carry on our skin, and more so where we have hair follicles. And these yeasts are called malassezia. Now in some people, the malassezia, when they feed off our natural oils, the sebum, creates a byproduct which their skin just does not take to. It causes an irritation and increased scaling, which is what dandruff is. Whilst there's no actual cure for dandruff, there are lots of treatments available over the counter which can really keep the symptoms under control. So a lot of over-the-counter anti-dandruff shampoos will contain key ingredients which help to reduce the amount of yeasts that are present in the scalp. And you need to look for key ingredients like ketoconazole, like pyrophthioneolamine, and also zinc pyrithione, which are all anti-yeast. If the dandruff becomes more severe and you break out in red, inflamed, itchy patches, so more of the seborrheic dermatitis end of the spectrum, at that point you may need to see your doctor for slightly stronger prescription medication. Often a lot of people think that dandruff is due to poor hygiene, and that's completely not true. It is purely down to the natural yeasts that we carry on our skin, creating a byproduct when they feed off our natural oils, and in that particular person, their skin just becomes irritated by this byproduct.